Well, hi to all. Welcome again. Today I am teaching you about nail art hacking tricks. Number 1, discolored nails. Use a whitening toothpaste to remove any stains from your nails. Number 2, nail polish to remove nail polish. One of the easiest way to get rid of nail polish when you don't have a nail polish remover is to use another nail polish. Apply a coat on your nails and immediately wipe it off with a cotton ball. Number third, use your deodorant to remove nail polish. Have some unfinished can of deodorant. Don't throw it away just yet. Spray it on your nails and wipe it off with a cotton ball. It's that easy. DIY ombre nails. Take two complementing colors and apply the lightest one on your nails as a base coat. Apply the polishes next to each other on a markup sponge and blend them together using a nail polish brush. Now tap the sponge on your nails until you are satisfied with the results and finish off with a clear top coat. Number 4, velvet nails. Take some flocking powder and cover your freshly paint nails in a color similar to the powder with it. Use your fingers or a tongue to set the power. Now take a powder brush to remove the excess and TADA your velvet nails and ready to be flaunted. Number next, water marble nails. Apply a clear base coat on your nail. Take a paper cup or small glass bowl and fill it up with warm water. Take two different colored nail polishes and drop each color on the surface of the water one by one. Once you are done, move a toothpick through this circle to create a pattern. Now dip your fingers one by one more than 30 seconds and apply a top coat for a perfect finish. Let's move easy French manicure at home. Use bring reinforcement sticker to give yourself a perfect French manicure right at your home. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. Please subscribe my channel.